Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will learn how to download and install the current NetBeans version. So to install NetBeans we need Java. At first we will download and install the current Java version. Then we will install NetBeans. So let's start with the first step to download and install the current Java version. At first go to the web browser. I am using Chrome, you can use any web browser. On Google type Oracle Java. Press enter. On pressing enter, the official website is visible, oracle.com. Click on it. On clicking, we have reached the official website. Now go to top right and click on download Java. Now all the versions are visible. You can see Java 22 is visible. Here it is, Java JDK 22, and we want for Windows. Click on the Windows tab. Here in 3 files are visible. We need to click on the installer file exe 163 MB. Click on it to download. Download started. Let's wait. It's only 164 MB. We have downloaded the exe file. Right click and click open to begin the installation. Minimize. Now the installation will start. The setup started. Click next. Now our Java JDK 22 will get installed in the following folder. It's fine. Click next. Now it will complete the installation. Successfully installed. Click close. Now let us set the path. Now go to the path wherein we installed Java, C drive, program files, and herein you can see Java. We installed it here, JDK 22. Go inside it, go to the bin path, copy. Now go to start, type environment variables. Click on edit the system environment variables. Click open. Under advanced, here click environment variables. Okay, now under system variables go to path. Double click on it. Click new and right click and paste the same path. Click OK, OK, and the last OK. So guys, we successfully installed Java. Let us verify the installation. Go to start, type cmd, click open. So this started our command prompt. Type the command java space -- version and press enter. This shows Java 22. That means we successfully installed Java's current version. Close it. Now let us install NetBeans. Go to the web browser, type NetBeans on Google and press enter. Now the official website is visible. Click on it to open. So Apache owns NetBeans and the current version is 21. Click on the download button. Now different versions are visible. We want an exe file for Windows. This works for both Windows 10 as well as Windows 11. Click on it. Now the download should start. Here is the file to download, exe file. Click on it. The download started. Let's wait. We have downloaded the exe file. Right click and click open to begin the installation. Minimize. Now the installation will start. Here you need to select what you need to install. Okay, I'll keep it as it is, the default. It will take 944 MB. If you want to remove any of them, click on customize. It will install NetBeans for Java, Advanced Java, JavaScript, HTML and PHP. I'll click next. Accept the agreement. Click next. Now you can see it will install NetBeans in the following location in C drive. It automatically detected a Java version. We just installed the following Java version. Okay, so we don't need to do any changes. I told you Java installation is a must for NetBeans. So here it is. Click next. Now keep it as it is, and this is the summary. Click install. Now it will take some time and install our NetBeans. Guys, we successfully installed NetBeans. Setup complete. Click finish. Desktop shortcut is also visible. When you'll go to start, type NetBeans. And it is also visible here to open. I'll click on the desktop shortcut, double click. So we started NetBeans for the first time. Okay, you can uncheck it, else it will be always visible here. Click close. Now guys, if you want to learn how to create your first Java project on NetBeans, you can refer the link in the description of this video. Thank you for watching the video.